Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be walking through the process of reducing the rational expression 4x squared minus 4x divided by 2x to its lowest terms. Make sure to follow along closely as we simplify each step of the expression. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by examining the given rational expression 4x squared minus 4x over 2x. Our goal in this step is to simplify the numerator, which is the top part of the fraction. First, identify common factors in the numerator. The terms 4x squared and minus 4x both have a common factor of 4x. Factor out 4x from the numerator. This means rewriting 4x squared minus 4x as 4x times x minus 1. Now our expression looks like this. 4x times x minus 1 over 2x. We've now factored the numerator by identifying and extracting the greatest common factor, which simplifies the expression for subsequent steps. Step 2. Now that we have factored the numerator, our rational expression is 4x times x minus 1 over 2x. Next, we will simplify this expression by reducing common factors in both the numerator and the denominator. Observe that both the numerator and the denominator have a common factor of 2x. To simplify, we will divide both the numerator and the denominator by their common factor, which is 2x. In the numerator, 4x divided by 2x equals 2. We then have 2 times x minus 1 in the numerator. In the denominator, 2x divided by 2x equals 1. So 1 remains in the denominator. Our simplified expression now looks like this. 2 times x minus 1 over 1. Since any number divided by 1 is just that number, we can further simplify by eliminating the denominator, which is 1. Thus, our final simplified expression is 2 times x minus 1. We have now reached the simplest form of the given rational expression.